front cover, we have a pocket. We can place a lot of things in there. We made some bookmarks and tags you can place in here. Pocket again. Place the card in here. Old Farmer's Almanac pages, very special. A pocket. I can tuck some postcards in here. A beautiful image, a folded card. And the gaps between two signatures are covered with this pretty washi tape. I think that's the only gap we have for this journal, and it's covered. I can place some bookmarks in this pocket. Vintage ledger, 1834 ledger, 1832 vintage ledger. This is a beautiful frame. I can place a lot of beautiful stuff in here, like this flower fussy cut flower pot. This is just a decoration, not a real pocket. A belly band. I can place a bookmark or a postcard. Another pocket. Can place this envelope in here. Because of the color, it's kind of dull. I would like to add some color, so I'm going to peel off one of the rose sticker and place it right here. See, when I flip through, I always want to add something. A pocket, place another tag in here. Maybe add a little hummingbird to decorate. This image is included in my Patreon package for July. But I'm going to have this available in my future packages. Because when we do journals, decorations, we use a lot of images like this. You can never have too many images only. Let's place him right over here. vintage ledger from 1930 something. Beautiful image printed on vellum paper. That is from my previous journal kit. It's Victorian garden, I think. This page is another special page. 3 pockets. You can put small stuff like this, or you can put a very long item in here. You can place this card. Oh, sorry. Let me reinforce this by adding more glue. You can place the long bookmark from the top all the way to the bottom, or from the second one to the bottom, or simply place it on the bottom one, because the way I made it. Can place a card like this size, or little circles like this. Something shorter, just place them on the bottom pocket. Isn't that beautiful? Stencil tea dyed paper. Space for journaling. Full of roses. Vintage. For this one, you can place small stuff inside. Something like stamps. I think this pocket is big enough to place this card. No, it's not. So I can just place some stamps inside this pocket. Like this. This old commercial is so pretty, so cute. Arm & Hammer soda. This commercial has been all these years. Two small pockets. Another big pocket. Large pocket, I can place a lot of stuff. A whole book of stamps. This is such a beautiful vintage image, Victorian style. Another Victorian style image. I can place a card in this pocket. Can place some other things in this envelope. For large envelope, you can place whatever you want. For your journaling need, journaling elements. So this is the journal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and follow along with me. The process is the journal herself turned out very pretty. I will list this on my Etsy shop for sale. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.